Thanks for watching my video. Today I am going to discuss the derivative of cosecant function. Now let's say f of x is equal to cosecant. In short we can write cosec of x, and f of x plus delta x is what? Cosec of x plus delta x. Now if you from definition of derivative, this we represent by derivative. It will be limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x, which is cosec of x plus delta x minus f of x, which is cosec x over delta x. And we know cosec is 1 over sine. Minus 1 over cosec is sine x. Cosec x means sine x over delta x. And if you simplify, sine x minus sine of x plus delta x over delta x into sine x into sine of x plus delta x. Okay, now if let's treat this as a, okay, a, b, and this one. So apply this one, sine b minus sine a, which is what? Minus cos a plus b over 2 sine a minus b over 2. Okay, now if you apply here since sine x does not contain delta x, so it is treated as constant. Sine x can be coming out limit delta x tends to 0. So if you apply minus 2 cos, you get x plus delta x over 2 into sine of delta x over 2 divided by delta x into sine x plus delta x. Now this minus coming out here, minus 1 over sine x, and from properties of limit delta x tends to 0 sine delta x over 2 over delta x over 2. This one is here, this is this, and this one here, into limit delta x tends to 0 cos of x plus delta x over 2 sine of x plus delta x, which is minus 1 over sine of x, and this whole term, which means limit x tends to 0 sine x over x is just 1, okay, which is this is 1. And if you substitute here, delta x is equal to here, delta x tends to 0 here, that means you get cos x over sine x, okay, minus sine x is cosec x, and cos over sine means cot x. Therefore derivative of cosecant function is minus cosecant function of x into cotangent function of x.